Alright, this 2-pack of rolling moving bags is really cool, and it's a great alternative to cardboard boxes, and they turned out to be a really practical solution for moving and storage. The first thing that impressed me was the size. When it got delivered, they were quite small and rolled up, and when I unrolled them and actually started putting stuff in, they're big, large enough to hold a lot of clothes, bedding, or bulky items. The wide zipper opening makes them easy to pack, and because the sides are flexible, you can fit things that don't always stack neatly in boxes. The reinforced bottom and wheels are a big upgrade compared to typical moving bags. Thick PVC base gives the bag structure and helps support heavier loads, and the wheels make it easy to roll even when the bag is packed full. Instead of carrying everything, you just pull it along like luggage. A handle on the top, so you can carry it like this. It's got handles on this side, so you can carry it like a tote bag. You can roll it on the wheels, or you can carry it like a backpack. Like a backpack. That is nice. I also like the multiple carry options. There's strong top handles, padded side handle, and backpack style shoulder straps. That gives you a few different ways to move the bag depending on the situation. Carry it, roll it, or throw it over your shoulder if needed. The stitching and handles feel strong, and the wraparound straps help support heavier loads. The material itself feels thick and durable, and it's also waterproof, which is great if you're moving things in and out of vehicles or storing items in a basement or garage, even if it's raining. When you're done using them, they fold flat, which is a big advantage over bulky plastic totes or boxes that take up space. Overall, these are a great alternative to traditional moving boxes. They hold a lot, easy to move around thanks to the wheels. They fold up if you need durable bags for moving, storage, college dorm moves, or travel. These are a very practical option.